So if you had a pair of Crocs and you breeded them with a pair of Yeezy foam runners, I'm pretty sure this is a shoe that you would get. In this video, I have a review of the Hydro Moc from Merrell. So let's go ahead and get into it. What is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys would like to shop this week's top sneaker deals that I curate for you guys over on Collective Kicks, feel free to do so. Basically, I just collect all the sneaker deals and sneaker releases from Nike and Adidas and Foot Locker and those type of sites and post them for you guys to be able to see. This, if you guys do want to buy a pair of these, I will link them in the description of the video as well. And this is a really bizarre looking shoe. Shout out to the people that tagged me on Instagram on these shoes, because they're really the reason why I bought these, because I didn't know that these were a thing. As soon as I saw them though, I was like, whoa, I gotta buy a pair of those and check them out, because they looked really crazy. They really look like the love child of these two shoes right here. Now, I will note that this is a fake pair. If you didn't see, I did a review of the fake pair of the foam runners here. I had a real pair, but I got rid of them. And then I do have a pair of Crocs. I actually have multiple pairs of these ones, which is hilarious. But this is a pretty aggressive looking Hydro Moc, and I wanted to do a review on it because I was just overall interested in it. I'm actually one of the few people that like the look of the foam runners, and I'm waiting for Adidas to make more so I can buy another colorway of these, because I really like the real ones that I had. I wanted to sell them though because the price point was too good. At this point, they're selling for over $300, which is insane. These, on the other hand, are 50 bucks, and I actually like the design of these better than of these, just because they look aggressive, but not too aggressive, if you will. But they also have some of the characteristics of the regular Crocs that I really like as well. So you have the back strap thing that actually flips up, so you can actually slide these on your feet a little bit easier. But then if you need that extra support on the heel, you flip back the strap and then you have that extra heel support. And for those that didn't know, that's the way Crocs is here as well. You flip it up or you flip it down, and then you have the additional support on the heel or not. So I like the fact you can do that with this shoe. Overall design of the shoe looks pretty cool. So from the words of Merrell, it says the Hydro Moc is a single density injected EVA foam. It's using advanced construction techniques. This easy on and off shoe will be more durable than any others of its kind for days spent in and around the water. The Hydro Moc is designed to be an easy on and off shoe, so sizing is generous. So if you normally wear a half size in footwear, they suggest you going down half a size instead of up. I actually didn't see that note, so I actually bought a size 10 instead of a size 9. I definitely regret it because these do run really big on my feet. So on feet, how are these things? I'd say that they're actually really comfortable. The foam and whatever they're using is actually really soft and squishy. Feels really good when you're walking around. The lockdown of the shoe is really good, also with the heel counter support on it. Even though these are a little bit big on me, they fit just fine. I actually went to the beach the other weekend and I wore these exclusively all weekend on the beach, carrying the kids in like a wagon and everything. And these held up really well. They're really good in the water. They're easy to get the sand out, obviously, so a really good option for water. For those people gardening, this might be a really good shoe as well. So really the similarities to the benefits of this shoe is very similar to a Croc. Like, it's the same in a sense where it's going to be easy to clean, it's comfortable, it's soft. I'd say that this is softer and squishier than what you get with the Crocs material, but the Crocs do have the light ride version, which is kind of on par with this. It's just softer and squishier than the regular Croc material. The Yeezy foam runner is actually really soft and squishy on feet. They feel really similar to these, to be honest. So if you want something like the Yeezys, this is probably a really good alternative. If it had some energy behind it and then these had some collaborations and stuff, I bet you these would fly off of the shelves, just because it's just a really comfortable all-around shoe, especially for the summertime when you're in and around water, like they say. Gardening, pools, I mean, whatever. These ones are not bad. Anyway, super random video for me to do a review on. Do I like these? I mean, yeah, I actually really like these. I think that they look cool and they're comfortable, and it's a shoe that I was actually really impressed with. So shout out again to the people that mentioned it. If you guys want to buy a pair of the Merrell Hydro Mocs, check the link in the description. I don't even know if it's how you say Merrell. Is it Merrell or Merrell? I have no idea. I don't know anything about that company. I've seen it, but I just don't know anything. I haven't owned any shoes from them before. But this is a good first step, in my opinion. Not bad. Decent on feet. I'm actually surprised that Nike hasn't created like a water mock, like something like this in more modern times. It feels like they're overdue. Adidas is doing something. It feels like Nike can make a pretty killer version of these. But yeah, so far Merrell's leading the race with cool looks to the water mock world, I guess. But we'll leave it at that. Subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. If you guys like the video and like the fact that I bought something different for you guys, drop a like on the video. Subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. Hit the notification bell to be notified of when my videos are live. My dogs keep barking right outside the door. It's so annoying. We'll see you guys hopefully some more videos soon, though. Peace, guys.